Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center of a circle. First, draw any two chords within your circle. Next, construct the perpendicular bisector for each of these chords. These bisectors are lines that cut each chord exactly in half at a 90-degree angle. The point where these two perpendicular bisectors intersect is precisely the center of your circle. This method is very reliable and straightforward. Another effective method involves using a right-angled object, like a set square. Place the right angle on the circle's circumference so its two sides intersect the circle at two distinct points. Mark these points and draw a straight line connecting them. This line is a diameter. Repeat this process to find a second diameter. The exact point where these two diameters cross is the center of your circle. This technique is quite practical. For a slightly different approach, you can start by marking any three distinct points on the circle's circumference. Connect these points to form two chords. For example, connect point 1 to point 2 and point 2 to point 3. Then, just like our first method, construct the perpendicular bisector for each of these two chords. The single point where these two bisectors meet will accurately reveal the center of your circle. It's a precise geometric construction. To summarize, finding the center of a circle can be achieved through several reliable geometric constructions. The method using perpendicular bisectors of chords is particularly common and effective. Remember, careful measurement and precise drawing are key to achieving accurate results, regardless of the technique you choose. This fundamental skill is incredibly useful in various fields, from drafting and design to more advanced mathematical applications. Happy constructing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.